Hey guys! We're going to Cainta Junction. Ayan. Kikitain natin sila Momshi Carla and Momshi Angel. At ang mga Dadski. Daddy Dan and Daddy Cha. So nandun sila. Kasama namin yung Feed Hungry Mind. Sila Ate Belle. Kasi mag-feeding tayo doon. So I have the food at the back of this van. Shoutout sa ating pusong Pinoy. Okay, meron tayong sasakyan for today's video. Thank you so much, Mami Wen. So, andito ang ating mga pagkain. So, 100 food pack yan. We have donuts and we have juice. So, dadalhin natin yan sa Cainta. So, hopefully maraming bata tayong makapakain sa Cainta area. So, kaway-kaway naman, Kuya Neil! Kaway-kaway ka naman dyan and everything! Ate Belle! Feed Hungry Mind!
Hello po!
Thank you for joining!
Thank you po!
Pila kayo para mabigyan. Ate Bong doon sa bodega.
Thank you, ma'am!
Ayaw kaya na yung
nanay! Wait lang yung nanay na to! Asan yung nanay? Ayan ang nawawala. Jeep. Thank you, Ate Bel. Ma'am RB Feed Hungry Mind. Ayan. Daddy Cha, Daddy Dan, Ma'am si Carla. And shout out Ma'am si Angel. Successful aming mission. So next time, abangan kung saan tayo. Diba?